how to make cool stickers on iPhone iOS 26. First, let's go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the Photos library. In here, go through your library and open up a photos that you want to make the sticker. So for example, this one right here. Then touch and hold on the object that you want to make the sticker, like this one here. So this is a video, so I'll go back and I select another one. So this one right here, actually I select this one here, it's bigger. So touch and hold on this object. And then, so here it doesn't show the sticker option, so I'll do it again. Touch and hold, and then it shows the add sticker option on the toolbar here. So tap on add sticker, and down here you can see add it to the stickers collection, and from here you can add effect, rearrange them or delete them. So here if you choose add effect, you can add outline, comic, puffy, shiny, you can make it shiny. So it's adding some effect to your stickers. So here you can choose original or outline, and then we just want to tap on the accept button and then close it. Okay, so once you have created a sticker in your stickers collections, what we can do is open up the text messages app, and in here, okay, so I open up a text conversation, and on my keyboard here, if you tap on the add button and then go down and choose stickers, and here we have a new sticker that we can use in our text messages and other apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.